Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to see real capital in eToro. So if you want to see your real capital in eToro, here's a good guide on how to get it done. So the first thing you have to do is tap on your portfolio. Then you can see right here, this is not the real capital. This is called virtual. So for you to be able to have access to your real capital or your real balance in eToro, you just have to tap on this, which is switch to real account. Just tap on the real, and this will take you back to your real portfolio. Then you tap on go to real portfolio, then you just refresh the self, then it will take you down to your real portfolio, which is your real capital. And you can see currently right here there's not available cash in the real capital, in the real account, in the real portfolio. Same thing goes with the total investment or total invested, then the stop loss, the profit and the loss, then the portfolio value. There's nothing, and this is the real capital. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.